Welcome to ArbitAI. In this video, we will guide you through how to seamlessly and easily participate in our token offering. Our token offering is conducted directly on our website without the need for any intermediaries, in line with the philosophy of blockchain technology. In the first part of our video, we will show you how to own a digital wallet, transfer funds from any cryptocurrency exchange to our digital wallet, and finally, how to participate in our token offering through our platform using your digital wallet. For those who are new to digital wallets, to ensure no difficulties, let's start by going to the MetaMask wallet download page to create an account easily. We open the MetaMask download page. Since I am using Firefox, as you can see, it says Firefox. But if you use Chrome, you will see the Chrome option. For mobile users, iOS and Android options are available. Choose your option and click on the Install MetaMask for Firefox button. On the Open page, I select Add to Firefox. A confirmation box opens in my browser. I click Add. MetaMask is added to my browser. I tick Allow and click OK. The MetaMask account creation screen appears. We tick and click Create a new wallet. We proceed by clicking the I agree button on the opened window. On the next page, we enter our password twice to create our account. On the next page, we click the Secure My Wallet button to manage our wallet securely. Decentralized digital wallets like these have backup key phrases. If you have any issues with your device, or if you can't access your wallet for any reason, you can download the MetaMask wallet on another device and enter these key phrases to easily manage your assets again. It's crucial to keep these key phrases very well protected away from all digital mediums. So, please take a pen and write down your backup words somewhere. You won't lose them. Make sure you are alone and there are no recording devices around when you click Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase to view your words. After writing down all the words correctly in order, we proceed by clicking the Next button. On the next page, we fill in the blanks with the correct words and click the Confirm button. And now we have successfully created our wallet. We close the windows related to usage and move on. Look, our wallet is now created. We are now opening our more frequently used browser extension. We close the usage suggestion windows by clicking the Got It buttons. And as you can see, our MetaMask wallet is ready to use. You see our wallet address starting with 0x at the top. Currently, our wallet is on the Ethereum network, but since our token offering is on the BNB network, we will switch networks. We click next to the Ethereum icon. In the opened box, we click the Add Network button. In the opened page, we click Add next to the BNB chain. When we click the Approve button in the opened box, we click Switch to BNB chain. A box showing that we have switched our wallet from the Ethereum network to the BNB network opens. We close it by clicking Got It. Now, as you can see, our wallet is on the BNB chain network and ready to use. Now that we have created our MetaMask wallet, let's show how to transfer assets from cryptocurrency exchanges to our wallet. For example, we will use an account on the Binance exchange. On our Binance account, we click Spot from the menu. To participate in our token offering without any issues, we need to have not only Tether but also BNB in our wallet, so we will make 2 transfers. We click on our BNB balance and select Withdraw. Now we will get the address information from our MetaMask wallet. We easily copy the address found at the top and paste it into the address section. We select BSC from the network section below. Transferring a very small amount of BNB is sufficient. You can even send 0.01 BNB. Then click the Withdraw button to start the transfer process. Now let's show a Tether transfer as well. In the Select Coin section, we choose BNB. In the opened box, we select Tether with the USDT symbol. We take the address information from our MetaMask wallet and paste it. We again select BSC from the Network section. In the confirmation box, we click Yes, I'm sure, and we proceed by selecting the amount we want to send. At this point, it is worth noting that our token offering is conducted in 3 automatically successive phases. The first phase, the seed phase, has a minimum participation amount of 20,000 Tether and a 60% discount. Once the seed coins are exhausted, the private sale starts with discounts varying between 20% and 30% and a minimum participation amount of 10,000 Tether. The final phase, the public sale, does not have a minimum participation amount or discount. You can smoothly participate in the pre-sale with even 1 Tether. Now that we have our wallet ready, we can show you how to easily and seamlessly participate in our token offering on our test platform that we have set up for you. First, I am opening our platform setup in the test environment. Our test platform is open. Since the seed tokens have been depleted in the test transactions, the private sale phase is active. We will now connect our wallet, but first, let me mention that all our smart contracts have been approved through months of audit by the industry's most prestigious cybersecurity firm, CertiK. You can connect your wallet with confidence. You can find the audit report in the menu section of our platform. We click Connect Wallet. From the opened options, we choose the wallet we are using. Our wallet extension opens. We say Next. You won't see this. As we are using a test network, it asks for confirmation. We give our approval and proceed. And now we have successfully connected our wallet to our platform. At this moment, the private sale phase is active in the test environment. Our token offering starts first with seed tokens. Once they are exhausted, the private sale becomes active. And finally, the public sale becomes active. We click the Buy Now button on whichever phase is active. Our purchase window opens. You can see the phase and discount rates and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can write the amount in both the Tether and Arbit sections. The system automatically adjusts the other section based on the amount you write. To understand better, let's do a few trials. If you hit the minimum purchase amount, the transaction cannot proceed. I will make a purchase of 20,000 Tether. I write the amount and click Buy Now. My wallet will ask for confirmation. I click the Next and Approve buttons. And finally, I click the Confirm button. And our transaction is successfully recorded on the blockchain. When you see the thank you page, your transaction has been successfully completed. Although there is an additional waiting period for seed and private sale tokens, you can start using your purchased Arbit tokens from the end date of our token offering, September 1st. Also, you can increase your earnings by recommending our platform to others using the unique referral link you see on the screen. Thank you for watching.